a device called Intuition Pro, which basically records the galvanic response of the GSR skin, which are the changes in the electrical conductivity of the skin. The main body of Intuition Pro is about the size of a small matchbox, and it is in this that a pair of electrodes that attach to the fingers are connected to take measurements. It is widely accepted that GSR can show our reactions to emotions. The theory is that emotions cause small changes in the activity of the sweat glands in our skin, which increases the performance of sweat components, mainly water and electrolytes, which changes the way our skin conducts electricity. GSR is like sweating profusely when you are nervous, only on a much smaller and imperceptible scale. Although there is a large body of evidence linking the GSR to the emotional state, it is far from being an exact science. On the one hand, environmental factors, including temperature and humidity, can affect measurements. How hydrated someone is and where you attach the electrodes can also lead to inconsistent results. In addition, it is a simple record of the conductivity of the skin and not of individual emotions. Fear, anxiety can manifest in RSG, but it is impossible to look at the data and establish a connection with a specific emotion.